When you see uprights around a matrix, what they want you to find is the determinant of that matrix. A bracket would just mean a matrix. That's just a basic operation with matrices. But when you don't see the little indentations there, and it's just two straight lines like an absolute value, it does not mean absolute value. It means determinant, okay? A determinant of a 2 by 2 is very easy. This would be a 2 by 2. And what you're going to do is you're going to take these two numbers. What's wrong with this?
You found the absolute value of a...
There. And then these two numbers here. So you're going to take 1 times 7, and you're going to subtract 6 times 2. You can't do it either way. When you're going from upper left, that green line is the plus, and the yellow line is the negative. So this would be 7 minus 12, which would be negative 5. But good news is you can check these on your calculator, but you need to show me this work, okay? You're going to key in 1627 as matrix A, which is a 2 by 2, and then you're going to wait for my next direction. So now hit second quit and second matrix again, and go to math. And the very first one is DET, which is determinant. Go ahead and do that. And then second matrix and hit A and hit enter. And you should get a negative 5. If you don't, come see me. Second matrix, math. Okay. So now we've got, let's do another one. 9, 6, 3, 2. We're finding the determinant of that. So we're going to multiply those and then multiply those and subtract. So 9 times 2 minus 6 times 3 is 18 minus 18, which is 0. The determinant of that one is 0. You're going to check it to make sure you know what the answer is, and then you're going to make sure you get that answer. So you're going to check your work. Well, this is weird. And for those of you with bad handwriting, this is a little bit more challenging. If you need graph paper, you can use graph paper because the lines keep you in line, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to add the first two columns again. Everybody see what I did? I added the first two columns. All right, so I'm going to draw diagonals, starting with the one that goes right through the middle of this, then the next one, then the next one, and that's a 0 that goes through there. And then I'm going to change the pen and do right through here, here, and here. Okay, guys, so now we're going to take the yellow stuff. And the yellow, we're going to add these. So these are going to be pluses. And the green are going to be minuses. And I'll explain in a minute. I want you to write it all out before we even start to do the math. So it's going to be 0. Put them all in parentheses, times 4 times negative 1, and then yellow is plus, plus negative 4 times negative 3 times 2, plus 0, 0, and 5. And now we're going to start with the green. The green is minus 0, 4, and 2, minus 0, negative 3, and 5, minus negative 4, 0, and negative 1. So you can put all that in your calculator. Just watch your signs and don't forget signs. But if you notice, anything with a 0 is going to go away because 0 times something is 0. So in this case, that's why I picked it. Negative 4 times negative 3 is 12 times 2 is 24, and that is the correct answer.